What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the video. In today's video, we're going to be doing the carbon fiber front bumper grills. I think it's just a must with these cars. It needs the carbon fiber grill. It makes it look way more aggressive, especially that you got the carbon fiber ducts down here with the carbon fiber package. So I don't know why BMW didn't come with the carbon fibers, but you know what? We're going to be installing our own. So first things first, we got to remove the front bumper and taking off all these damn clips that BMW has holding it up, as you can see right there. My bro already pretty much got all of them off. There's three bolts on the side here where the fender liner is. There's one tucked up all the way up top where it's kind of difficult to get under there, but once you kind of move this fender liner back, you can get like a extension and kind of get up there. I think you'll be solid. For the most part, they're all 10 millimeter sockets. So just kind of FYI when you are doing this. And if you have a pry tool, that's gonna be a must. It just makes it so much easier to pop the clips out, and so you don't break any clips while you're doing it. So that's pretty much the kind of bottom portion of the removing the bumper. The top, obviously you got to remove this weather strip, and then there's a whole bunch of pop clips here as well. Once you pop those, it'll lift this up, and then there's more 10 or 8, I can't remember on the engine, but 10 millimeter bolts that are in there. And then once you get all that, your bumper should be able to come off, and then you just got to unplug the sensors for the headlight unit. And I think on the passenger side there's 3 sensors. There's like the headlight unit, a temperature sensor, and something else. But once you just unplug, you know, just unplug them. On the driver's side there's only 2 sensors. So once you unplug it, the grill should shimmy off, and then we're gonna put it on here just to protect it. We got PPF on it, so I'm not too concerned. But we're gonna put this down here so we don't scratch the paint or mess up the PPF. So I'm just gonna have you guys in the background and pretty much just watch us as we go. Yeah, I'm gonna get this installation complete. Hopefully, once you the hardest part is just the tedious part is just removing the bumper. Once you have the bumper removed, we'll go through the front grill and go through it together. All right, guys, quick little update. We just went ahead and took the wheel off just to give us some more clearance with that fender liner. Let me show you with the fender liner. There's so many little clips holding that this fender liner in place up here. And with the wheel in the way, it was hard to get into certain areas. So we just went ahead and removed the wheel since we already had it jacked up. Like I said, to give us better clearance. So my brother's working on the other side. Once he gets the other side off, we'll go ahead and take this front bumper off. Just getting in the fender liner here. Is there a bolt holding it? No. Yeah. Putting a shorter bolt on there so that we can actually get back there, because with the extension, it doesn't allow the drill to fit. Nice. Perfect.
You want to go all that far?
No, we don't. We don't really need it. Where's the other? Oh, right here in the corner. You see it?
What, this one?
Yeah, I think we got to take that one off.
Yeah, that's the one. We can easily take that one out without going.
Removing more of it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, the less work, the better. Yeah, so basically what we're trying to do is get clearance to that bolt right there. And with this in the way, you have no clearance.
No clearance. No clearance.
You might need to use that other one.
Yeah.
The shorter one?
Yeah. There's an 8 in there. Just grab me an 8. That should be really good. I don't even forgot you remember.
No, it's good. It's on the stand.
I lied.
Is it on here?
It's in this. It's in that container. The yellow box. Yeah, that thing. I don't know why it's in there, but
That one?
yeah. I noticed it. I was like, oh, it's in there. Bet. Come here, you little bitch. Sorry.
Ah, nice. Got that hoe. Alright, y'all boys. Moment of truth. Damn.
Yeah, that thing look good.
Yes, sir. Got the CSL-style front bumper grill. So that's gonna be obviously going right there. Just taking it out. I'm gonna place this thing down.
Look at those weaves on that carbon fiber. Absolutely incredible. Wow. Great work. Great craftsmanship from where's
Alibaba.
You know, the Chinese, Japanese, they know how to do it, you know what I'm saying?
Chinese, you're right.
Anyways.
Go ahead and get a little cinematic.
We gotta remember where there's two distinguishable different ones.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But you will know because it's a different
Won't fit.
or a different one. So do all the 10s, and if it doesn't fit, okay, that's not the one.
Yeah. Alright guys, so don't forget there's 2 long bolts on the top that hold the top bumper in place. So just make sure when you think you got all the clips out, you didn't get them all out. So when you are trying to remove the bumper because you think you got all the clips and screws undone, just don't force anything, obviously. Just make sure you go back underneath if it's kind of giving you some resistance, and make sure you get all the screws. So as you can see, there's a whole bunch of like 10 mil clip-ons, and then these 2 long bolts that kind of hold the top in place. So don't forget that when you are taking it out. We got the front bumper off, yay! Finally, Jesus. All right guys, now we're gonna start removing all the clips. Like I said, get yourself a little pry tool, and we just bring you guys closer. But we're gonna do this front clip. And we're just gonna pop all these clips pretty much out. All right guys, we just brought it in the house, laid it on the counter so it'll be easier so we can stand and not hurting our back. But these pop clips, if you have a newer model car, you know, a newer car, it's just very tough to get them out. You just kind of got to work around it, just kind of break them loose. Once you get one broken, then they all kind of follow suit. It's just once, just don't force it because you can easily break the clips. They're just very stubborn. But once you get them all popped out like we did here, then we're gonna just finagle this underneath this wire, and this should come out. And you just kind of gotta like make sure you don't tug, no wires are tugging. There we go. And work one side at a time. Put it down. Okay. There we go. And just like that, guys. Front bumper's off. Fuck this thing. No, I'm just kidding.
I'm a bitch.
Alright, time to get the new one.
I like the old one better. Your face, bro. Your face. says M4 comp. This one though.
I know, I can move the badge over.
Oh, you want to do that now?
That bottom piece up top.
All right. Welcome to hell one more time.
Now we just gotta reverse engineer everything that we did. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Just gonna put everything back the way that it came in.
Now we just gotta clip these things back in place. Let's start with this side.
This is definitely more rigid. You just push it in?
Yeah. Just like that.
Okay.
I know it's like scary because you don't want to break anything.
That fucking sounds terrible.
Okay.
These aren't in all the way. Where's that flag?
Right here. You want the small one or?
No, we just gotta move this one closer. We gotta fix the clips back. Those are clipping in.
Some of them are clipping in and others aren't. All right, guys. I got the front bump. We got the front bumper back on finally. So it's just kind of work your way, popping them back into place from the corners and go like kind of counterclockwise, and then it'll all should pop into place. They're kind of a pain because, you know, it does a good job holding it in place, but trying to get it back into place, it's definitely like a two-man job. Having somebody pry open, let me get back here. Having somebody like pry open these clips while the other person pushes it in place definitely is helpful. So having an extra hand always helps. But this is how the front bumper looks compared to the stock one. So we're gonna get this bumper back on the car. And just like that, all you have to do obviously is reverse engineer the front bumper back on to its original state and put all those clips and everything like how you had it back in line. So this is how front bumpers are sitting now. Later on, I'm gonna transfer the M4 badge on here. So, just really hungry right now. I'm gonna go ahead and cook some food, but this is how it's looking. Makes the front end look a lot more aggressive. Very happy on how it came out. So yeah, basically a little DIY project at the house with me and my brother. So I was happy he was able to help me out. Like I said, you definitely want a two-person or two people to help you. It's a two-man job. But other than that, I appreciate y'all checking into the video, rocking with me. Just please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions on, you know, the little nuances that you might come across with doing this install. Yeah, I will check you guys out in the next video. Next video, we're probably gonna do the Loring springs. I have KW Loring springs, so we'll go ahead and do that. And yeah, that'll be the next video. So stay tuned with the build series. This is number 1 of the build series. Nothing too crazy, just the front bumper. But once we have everything else tied together, everything will obviously come together, and it'll look all cohesive and look real good. So look forward to that. Look forward to sharing this content with you, and hope you guys like it. Like I said, let me know in the comments if you have any other suggestions or want to see any other thing in the videos. But with with that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.